Thank you for watching US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy this next video. Like us, share, subscribe to us on Facebook and social media. We're here with Jim today. Jim, tell us a little bit about this beautiful car.
Well, this is a 33 Packard Dual Cowl Phantom. Was restored about 4 years ago. And it's one of only one that we know of for 33. I've been into old cars all my life and enjoyed them until too many people with too much money got involved with them and made them too expensive to have fun with anymore. So, well, we still talk to those kind of people.
This is fantastic. This car is absolutely beautiful. How long have you owned it?
4 years.
4 years.
5 years, I guess.
Very beautiful car. Can you tell us a little bit about the history of who might have owned this car before you?
Probably not too much. I tracked it back to the 70s and then everybody was dead. So it came out of, I believe, New Jersey, somewhere in there, and then one of its owners took it to Switzerland, to Zurich, and it stayed over in Europe for several years. And they put some Volkswagen parts on it and a few other metric items that don't belong on there. But we've removed those and taken it back to original condition.
Beautiful. Jim, can you tell us how many miles are on the car?
It says 37,000, but we don't know. I put maybe 1,000 on it.
A lot less than most people would have on their car today, absolutely.
It doesn't go out in any kind of bad weather. The sun's got to be real bright.
Ask him about the engine.
Can you tell us a little bit about the engine of the car?
The engine is a 12-cylinder. It has self-adjusting tappets. It's very quiet when it runs. It's been completely tore down and rebuilt. And you can't even hear it run because it's not running right now.
And how many years have you been bringing it to this car show?
Oh, I've been around here for 40 years, I suppose.
It's fantastic.
Not every year, but
on and off.
Yep.
Are you from the area?
I'm from Palos Park.
Palos Park. So we're here at the Greater Illinois Chicago 50th anniversary of this American Car Club show. Quite an event to be at and quite a beautiful car, Jim. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Jim, can you describe what we're looking at here at the engine?
Yes, you're looking at one side of a V12 Packard engine, 1933. Been totally taken apart, rebuilt, put back together. It looks like original.
How many cylinders?
I think 12. It's either 11 or 12.
Wonderful.
There you go.
Jim, can you tell us a little bit more about any awards that you may have won for the car?
This car took a first place in the Antique Automobile Club in 1981. And in 1983, it took the Grand National Award, so it was the best car of the year.
Certainly well deserving. Beautiful car. Thank you so much, Jim, for sharing this with us. We'd like to show your car next, so please leave us a comment, subscribe, and like us.